Hi everyone, my name is Ashley and thank you for checking out my video where I am showing you how to build your own habit tracker so that we could get our shit together and just hold ourselves accountable. So I'm going to just pick up where I left off in my first video. In my first video, I gave you 2 additional tips and also taught you how to enter in these check boxes. Now, what I want to show you how to do is how when you are scrolling, your columns are frozen or your rows are frozen so that you can still see data regardless of scrolling. Sometimes it disappears. So, what I'm going to do is head on over to my copy of Daily Habits and show you how to do this really quick, super easy. So, you are going to select the row or the column. I'll show you how to do both row or column that you want frozen. So, for me, obviously, when I scroll down, I still want to be able to see the dates. So, I would just click on the one and it's going to highlight it all in blue. I'm going to go to view. The second option is freeze, and I'm going to freeze one row because as of right now, I only want to freeze this first one. If I decide anything more, I'm going to show you how to manually freeze more rows. What you'll see is you'll see this gray bar showing up. Once the hand is displayed, what you want to do is just click on it and grab it and drag it down. And then that freezes that as well. And then you can freeze whatever you want. So I'm going to show you how to do it the column way. And it's the same thing. You just select the column that you want or the data that you want to be frozen in this sheet. And you're going to go to view, then you're going to freeze, and you're going to go to freezing one column. That's just what I'm doing for this, just because I can manually go in and freeze the other columns. And then there you have it. So super simple. For me, I personally, I do freeze my things, but I also really prefer to see everything as a whole. So I'm always having my view very much different where I could just see everything. But I still think that this is an effective tool to use, especially if you're using a tracker and you have a lot of data or you need to use it for an alternative thing such as your career. So I hope this was helpful and good luck on your habit tracker.